Here you see two words. Both have double O, but one is pronounced as long oo sound, such as soon, but another is pronounced look. Look at me. Don't say look at me. It will be look. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear kids. Today we are going to learn some words. Yes, we will learn 20 English words with long oo sounds. What are these? Let's know. Let's get started. This is a horse. Do you know horse? This part is called hoof. Hoof. Don't say hoof only. It will be hoof. So where is the hoof here? Yes, this part is called the hoof, the hard part of the feet of animals. So you can say horse has hoof and sheep has hoof and deer has hoof. This is called hoof. Let's see the next one. Yes, what is this? What is the part of this? Yes, this is called roof. So this is long oo sound, roof. Don't say roof. This is a roof, not. This is roof, right? And you see, yes, the next one. You know this, right? This is the moon. Moon. So it will be the long sound, oo sound, long oo sound. So moon. So moon, you know that moon means chad, right? And the next one is, yes, the 12 o'clock, the midday. Can you see here? The time is 12 o'clock. This is the midday, right? When it will be 12 o'clock, then it will be noon. Noon. N-double-O-N. So noon, noon. The time is noon, 12 o'clock. Okay, good noon, 12 o'clock only. So the pronunciation you have to say noon. So তুমি যখন উচ্চারণ করবে তোমাকে বলতে হবে noon, not noon. So it will be the long sound. Next you see, these are the tools. That there are many tools. So if it is only one tool, then it will be tool. T-double-O-L, tool. So as only single tool is here, attached, so that's why tool. And there are many ones, so that is called tools. Okay. Next one you see here. Pool, right? It's a swimming pool. So you have to pronounce pool. It's a swimming pool. Don't say it's a swimming pool. It will be, it's a swimming pool, right? Next one. Yes, a beautiful, right? It's a beautiful pool. You can see here. Now the next one. You know this? You know this? Can you guess? It's a drawing room. Drawing room. And this is a classroom, right? So what will be the pronunciation? Room. Room. It's a classroom. It's a drawing room. Don't say it's a classroom. It's a drawing room. So you have to say it's a drawing room. Drawing room. And it's a classroom. Have you seen this part? What is called? What is called it? It's called root, right? A tree has roots, right? So it's the root. Root. Now you see, what is this? It's a beautiful flower and it blooms, right? A flower plant, when it opens and it makes a flower from a bud, then it is called bloom. যখন ফুল ফুটছে, flower plant হচ্ছে, it is called bloom. So the pronunciation will be bloom, not bloom. Bloom. Now you see what is called broom. You know it. You have seen it, right? It will be broom. So with this, you can clean your floor. Okay, broom is used for cleaning your floor. Broom কি করি আমরা এটা ঘর পরিষ্কার করার জন্য we can use it. Broom. It will be broom. You see, it's a happy mode and sad mode, right? This cartoon expresses happy mode and this cartoon sad mode. So what will be, you see, this is, yes, sad one and the happy one. So it is called mood. When you are feeling good, you are in happy mode. যখন তোমার খুব ভালো লাগে, then it will be happy mode. And when you are not feeling good, feeling bad, that is your sad mode. So the pronunciation will be উচ্চারণ করতে হবে mood. It's only mood. Mood. Yes. What is this? Hood. 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 So the typical call of many kinds of owl, that is called hood. That owl sound is called hood. Owl sound, right? প্যাঁচার যে শব্দটা বলা হয়, প্যাঁচা যে শব্দটা করে, that is called hood. The typical call of many kinds of owl. Let's see the next one. Yes. What is this? This is like a ring, right? This is called, you know, this part is called, what is the name of this? Hoop. Hoop. And the hoop means, you see, it is called a ring, and it can be made of wood, plastic, or others. So this is called hoop. Hoop. Yes, this part is called hoop. This part is called hoop. Hoop. Let's see the next one. You see, you have seen it, right? It is called boot. Boot. And you see a pair of boots. What is it? A pair of boots. A pair of boots. It's a boot and a pair of boots. It's one kind of shoe, right? Next one. One kind of shoes. And next one. Yes, what is called it? It's a food. Food, right? Don't say food. I like this food. I don't like this food. So you can say food. Next one you see. Have you seen it? What is called in English? Stool. So the pronunciation will be stool, not stool. Stool. S-T-O-O-L. Stool. Now, have you seen it? Wow, this is called coop. The house of chickens, right? The house of chickens. It is called coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. What is this? It means a curved shape. So you have to pronounce loop. L-O-O-P. So loop means a curved shape. Okay, curved shape, baka ekta shape, and it looks like a round shape, something like that. Now your turn. You have to cross out the words that does not match the picture. So I'm just going to show you. You have to tell me what is the answer. Yes. Is it a roof or hoof? Which one? Who can tell this? You can learn with me. It's a roof or it's the hoof. Yes, it's not roof, right? Roof means hard, right? It's not a roof. It's a hoof. So you can see the hoof, that horse has hoof, right? It will be hoof. It's not roof. Let's see the next one. Okay. It's the who or it's the moon? Yes, it's one kind of ring. It's called hoop, not the moon. You know, moon means chand, right? You know how does it look. So what will be the answer? You see here. Yes, it's not the moon. It will be hoop. Let's see the next one. Yes, it's a tools. Okay, now let's see the next picture. It is written tools and roots. Which one will be right? It will be tools or roots. A tree has roots, right? But these are the tools. It's not the roots, right? Let's see the next one. Can you tell me? Can you guess? But it's a tool or a stool? Yes, it's stool. It's not tool, right? What will be the answer? Yes, it's not stool. It's a stool. It's a stool. And then the next one. Okay, there is a picture and you have to find out the where is noon, what is the time of noon, moon, pool. So you can practice with me. The pronunciation will be noon, moon, pool, stool, birds. Let's see. Where are these? It's the noon, right? Midday, when you see your sun above your head. This is called the time is noon. So it's a stool. That girl is sitting on the stool, right? The girl is sitting on the stool. There's the birds. Yes, birds. You see, birds, and there's a pool and a dog. In front of dog, it's a pool. All for today, dear learners. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share, and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.